We are out here at Central Park in Louisville. We're gonna go ahead and take this little fun jet.
About to fly the noseless jet.
Right.
It was that long, and then one crash, two crash, third crash, but it still flies.
Exactly. It's awesome. Let's go for a flight.
Let's do it. A little windy, but we'll be all right.
Hello. Sailing in the wind. Oh, the sun is bright. Yeah, it goes fast that way.
Come back. Hold on.
Jeff? Okay, there we go.
Fighting some wind here.
Lost in the tree.
We're just coasting. Yeah, wind sucks.
Yes, it does. Okay.
But
around.
It's hard foam.
Yeah, it's all good.
Well, soft, whatever. It's rubbery. Not the ideal conditions for this little guy, but
we're back in here.
Yep. Fix that little battery pack. Well, close enough.
There it goes, sailing with the wind. Nice.
That wind sucks. We might lose it today.
No, we're not going to lose it. Yeah, it fights the wind. Yeah, kind of breezy out here today. I don't know what the wind speed is, but kind of fights it a bit. Then when it goes with the wind, it flies very well. How's it feeling, Jeff?
You know.
Yeah, I haven't been out to Central Park in a bit. Done a bunch of drone footage here in some of our past videos years ago. But I thought we'd just come on by and fly the jet. Some of the wind gusts hitting it, Jeff?
That wind sucks.
Yeah, the wind sucks. Yeah, this is a cool little jet. Originally picked it up for about 80 bucks or so. Not too bad. Came with 3 batteries. So pretty cool. And you get about 15 minutes flight time. Almost lost it. 12 to 15 minutes flight time with it.
And you just glide.
Yeah, right? Man, that thing zips around. Almost stuck the landing there.
What's that?
I said you almost stuck the landing there. Whoa.
You got a pretty good dive on it.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, wind hits and it sucks. I'll bring her down. Let's bring her on down. I'm gonna go around here.
Go around and we'll bring her in for a nice little landing. There we go. Awesome.
There we are, next to the sock. I don't want to know.
Yeah, exactly. Awesome.
So might have some more planes in the field in a few days. Don't know what's on that sock.
Right.
But no, fun little flyer. Relatively durable. I'm going to probably build another nose for it.
Yeah.
At some point, but you know.
Exactly. We got enough styrofoam from other stuff.
Why not?
Anyways, thank you for checking out the video.
Y'all be good. Bye.
Bye-bye.